Hello guys, today I am going to discuss limits and continuity problems. So limits and continuity problems, there are two methods. One is traditional method, another one is shortcut method. First one I am going to teach the traditional method. Look here in the first problem, limit x tends to 0, square root of 2 plus x minus square root of 2 minus x by x is there. First what we do, rationalize the numerator. The rationalization of the numerator is square root of 2 plus x minus square root of 2 minus x is square root of 2 plus x minus square root of 2 minus x. Rational factor is square root of 2 plus x plus square root of 2 minus x. Multiply and dividing throughout by the rationalizing factor first. 2 minus x divided by square root of 2 plus x plus square root of 2 minus x. Now the numerator are in the form of a minus b of a plus b. That one says a square minus b square. Limit x tends to 0, square root of 2 plus x a square minus b squared is 2 minus x whole square divided by x of square root of 2 plus x plus square root of 2 minus x. Limit x tends to 0, square and square root are eliminate, we get 2 plus x minus 2 minus into minus plus x divided by x of square root of 2 plus x plus square root of 2 minus x. Plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled. Limit x tends to 0. 2x divided by x of square root of 2 plus x plus square root of 2 minus x. Now x and x get cancelled. Substitute where there is x 0. Then we get 2 plus 0 is 2 only, root 2. 2 minus 0 is also root 2. So 2 divided by root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. 2 get cancelled. The answer is 1 by root 2. This is tradition method. In tradition method, solve this problem. We may get 2 minutes. 2 minutes. In competitive examination, we solve this type of problem by shortcut method. How we are going to start? Now we will show you this problem by shortcut method. So one of the shortcut for this is m through top a plus x to the power of n minus m through top a plus x to the power of n is there. The answer for this is 2 into 2 divided by m into a to the power of 1 minus 1 by m. In this problem, m is this one, here 2. Square root is the value of m in this problem. Square root means 2. A is also equals to 2. A is also equal to 2. 2 divided by the value of m is 2 into 2 to the power of 1 minus 1 divided by the value of m is 2. 2 get cancelled. 1 divided by 2. 1 minus half is half. 1 divided by root 2. In both the method, we get the same answer. Which is easier? This method is easier. So, you have to remember this formula while we solve this type of the problem in the competitive examination. In the second problem, the value of m is 3. A value should be equals to 7. Equals to 2 divided by m into a7 to the power of 1 minus m value is 3. 2 divided by 3 into 7 to the power of 3 minus 1. 2 divided by 3 into 7 to the power of 2 by 3 is the answer for second problem. In the third problem, value of m equals to 5, a value should be equals to 2. Equals to 2 divided by m into a to the power of 1 minus 1 by m. 2 divided by the value of m is 5, a value 2, 1 minus 1 by 5. 2 divided by 5 into 2 to the power of 5 minus 1, 4 by 5 is the answer for the third one. In the fourth problem, one slight difference is there comparatively first problem, second problem and third problem. What is the difference in the fourth problem? You know, the sign. Whatever the answer you get, you must take the answer either plus or minus. Only have to change the sign. That's all. You get the answer in terms of plus, you take minus value. Suppose we may get the answer in terms of minus, you take positive answer. Here the value of m is 2, a equals to 5 is equal to, what is the answer? 2 divided by m into a to the power of 1 minus 1 by m. 2 divided by m is 2, 5, 1 minus 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 1 divided by 5 to the power of 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 divided by 5, 1 by 2. Actually, here minus is there in the first term. Therefore, you take answer is in terms of minus. 1 divided by root 5. Minus 1 divided by root 5 is the answer for the fourth question. Fifth question is in the form of 1 plus or minus x to the power of n equals to 1 plus or minus xn. Have to remember this formula for this type of problem. So, how you get, you know the binomial theorem, binomial expansion. In the given question 1, here minus sign is there, you take minus. In the place n is, what is the value of n? 1 by 2. Square root means 1 by 2 x squared. In between minus sign is there, you take minus. Same thing. 1 plus, here plus sign is there, you take plus here. N is 1 by 2. In the place of x squared is there, you write it x squared divided by 2x squared. Limit x tends to 0. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Minus 1 by 2 x squared minus 1 by 2 x squared is x squared. Minus x squared divided by 2x squared get cancelled. Minus 1 by 2 is the answer. This is the shortcut. How do you solve this? By the traditional method. Taking rationalizing factor for the numerator. Both numerator and denominator multiply by the rationalizing factor and simplify it. Definitely you are getting the value minus 1 by 2. In sixth problem, you take 1 plus y plus, here is a plus sign is there, plus n value here 1 by 3 sin x. In between minus sign is there, you write minus 1. Here minus sign is there, you take minus. The value of n is 1 by 3 sin x divided by x. Limit x tends to 0. And you must know that limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled to each other. Minus into minus plus 1 by 3 sin x plus 1 by 3 sin x, 2 by 3 sin x divided by x. This one, addition. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x is 1. 2 by 3 into 1 is 2 by 3 is the answer for this. The seventh problem answer is limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power of x minus 1 divided by square root of 1 plus x minus 1. We know well, limit x tends to 0, a to the power of x minus 1 divided by x is equal to log a base e. You have to remember this formula while we solve this problem. So limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 x minus 1. Here n is 1 by 2, in the place of x, x is there. These two get cancelled. Limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power of x minus 1 by x by 2. 2 goes up, limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power of x minus 1 by x. This one says 2 log 2 base e. So log 2 square base e. Log 4 base e is the answer. Why? Log a to the power of n base e is m log a base e. Power law. So you have to remember while we solve this problem, have to remember two additional formulas. One is limit x tends to 0, a to the power of x minus 1 divided by x is log a base e, and log a to the power of m base e is m log a base e. The final answer is log 4 base e is the correct answer for 7th question. 8th one answer is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 1 by 2 x minus 1 divided by log of 1 plus x. Log of 1 plus x. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels. Limit x tends to 0, x divided by 2 of 2 into log of 1 plus x. Limit x tends to 0, 1 divided by 2 log of 1 plus x divided by x. We know well, limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x, value should be equals to 1. So this value should be equals to 1. 1 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer for the 8th question.